You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from science. Animal. Biology. If you want to learn more names from medicine and biology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as Deuterostome. Let's break it down. Deutero or deutero. Deuterostome, not stomy. Stress on the first syllable, the dew syllable. Also a bit the stome syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Deuterostome in the plural is deuterostomes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.